Hi guys, happy Sunday, welcome back to our channel. Wow! For today, may pupuntahan kami ni Kim na if you're familiar sa Don Quijote sa Japan, apparently meron din palang ganon dito sa Vancouver.
Like similar.
Oo, very similar but not Don Quijote, but like yung mga binibenta nila.
We just saw it sa Instagram. So.
Yeah, yung mga binibenta nila, same. So, we just recently,
ba, sabi?
yung mga yung like the way lang sila mag ng mga pero very similar daw. We'll know more kasi first time naman namin mapuntahan to. We just recently found out about this sa isang sa online, and then we decided na okay, sige, let's try. So yeah, we'll take you guys there.
Okay, we're here now at Crystal Mall, and we kind of got lost in the parkade because it's tight in there and there are so many cars.
Marami ding reserved parking, so
yeah,
we had to go around, and then imbes na mag-go kami sa parking, na punta kami sa exit. So we're just here parking sa street instead.
which works out better because it seems like it's gonna be hard to get out of the parkade, but I think the benefit is that it's free down there. But anyways, we're not gonna be here long anyway, so it's okay. So let's go to that store. I don't know what it's called. Do you know what
I forgot, but let me check. Let me go ahead.
Kind of hidden. It's on the
the
Crystal
reel that
Mall.
we were
I
watching.
heard a group of teens call this spot the Don Quijote of Vancouver, and now I can't unsee it. It's actually giving every parent's dream come true. They have everything you can think of, all at discounted prices. Like when you see a
Oh, the best shop at Crystal Mall. So we are at Crystal Mall looking for the best shop.
The best shop ever.
So yeah, let's go do that. This, and there are Mexicans eating there, so I feel like it's legit. Also, this is pretty cheap. Lakman na. This is what Crystal Mall looks like. Ooh. Tafu. Dessert. Panda Food Express, diba ito yung delivery service? Mushroom lang sikat. We're at the market. We found it. It's right here. It's on the second floor. Let's go see what they have. Cute.
Pretty.
Karaoke machines. Look. Got this one. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feeling ko a karaoke machine. But this one looks like a harden cam Hardon forgot the name. It's Hardon Carmen, I think. Cute though. And this one is only $88. You know what? That's pretty cheap. Look. $39. No? Here are the skincare stuff. Okay, let's look at everything. Okay, when we were in Japan, we got so many things like these. And like this one, we have those. And then we got these. So they actually have everything that's here. I really want this one. $2.99. There.
Yeah.
Yeah. They also have these Japanese products. Pretty cool. Collagen eye cream. So many selections of eye creams. Like this one is from Centella. This one is from VT. And I think the prices are pretty good. Oh, they have this one. These ones are so good. Really, really good. And only $15. And they have all of it. I think I'm gonna get one of these. So pretty big. They have perfect whip, love. They also have these.
Shower and bath. Yeah.
They actually have so many things.
I kind of want
No.
joke. You know why?
Keyboard.
That's a keyboard. Foldable. Foldable na gimbal stabilizer.
Tingnan mo tong ano, video recorder. $49 lang.
Yeah.
This one is really good for camping. Cassette stove. Kinda, I guess it looks like this, and then you just plug this in. Really convenient. That one is only $59. $60. You know, I really want one of these. Ones I want because I want to put it outside so I can cook outside. But that is too expensive. This one is $78. Still too pricey, but this one is really nice. I just don't know if our pans are induction, so I don't know if that works. I didn't realize, but this store is actually so big. Like there's so much more here. Look, cooking accessories. There's so many. This one, it's a glass container, $4.99. That's pretty good. It's a good price. A standing nest also. This one is only $78. That's pretty good. And they have cute bowls. How much are these? $6. These ones, $6. Really cute. There's so many things. Even have washing machines. I wonder if they have the thing that we bought from Japan. The one that like steams. We haven't tried it because I don't want to waste it. But if they have it here, I will just use it. Doesn't seem like they have it though. More dishware. Cute stuff. It's like for lunches. Lunch boxes. Oh my god, that is so cute. If we had a child, that would be our child's. So cute. And cat.
This is so good.
For what?
Shoes?
Oh.
Like stacked like that. Stacked like that.
Yeah, $88. That's
Wow.
really good. These ones, I've seen this on Amazon.
Yeah, but look at the price, 88.
Yeah.
Compared to
But this one is higher.
This is actually really good. You know, I want to get one for Philippines.
We have cheaper ones there too.
I really will, but I want like that. Just gives me an idea. No?
Yeah.
We got this one for the Philippines.
Oh yeah, this is the one that we got, just different
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
Look, they have so many things. They even have those. We have. Did we get one of these too?
Did you see the electronics nila and the lint rollers, the ano?
Yeah. Wow. There's so many things. There's so many things to look at. You know, I was looking for the, you know the thing, the cleaner that we bought from Japan? The one that steams? They don't have it.
We haven't had it.
I know. I don't want to try it because we only got one. And what if it's really good? Oh, they have Safeguard. $3. It's pretty cheap. $3.
I know, that's usually $5.
Yeah, at the Filipino stores, it's expensive. Over there was a lot of music, so we can't really talk. But on this side, it's pretty quiet. We're talking more. Oh, them wigs. Look. These are so cute. Tingnan mo. $20.
Look at this.
$20. Can I feel it? Oh, it's plastic.
Yeah, it is.
It's not cloth.
Polyester for sure.
Yeah.
But, you know.
Yeah. You know what I want? I want like these. I want like these for driving. Oh.
That one. Oh, they have glass too. Oh, look at that. Then you can put something on top.
You're looking to potty train your child because these are perfect and they're only $14.99. That is a steal.
That's perfect.
See, it is an arenola.
It says it's a stool.
No, but it's a. You can open it and then see. We had one before.
It reminds me, you know, when I was still in college. So we have like a little, like a small, like this, our boarding house to do laundry of our uniforms.
This reminds me of hospitals. Because they give you that. They give you that at the
Here?
hospital.
I mean-
No, in the Philippines.
You do?
Yeah. To throw up in?
No, they just gave us the stainless one.
You know, these are good for like Daisy's laundries. Yeah, $4. Should we buy one? Put it in the storage. Oh no. No. Look at this. Or when we wait for.
Oh, I want this.
Diba? Actually, it's good for guests too. And we can get rid of the ano.
This is actually very nice. You know, I used to have one like this, but not like this, like the
Pero mahal,
bulky
31.
ones when I was something.
Ah, you know this is good for ano no. if we were waiting for like 4 hours for a compass card. This is good. But it's also good at home. So we can get rid of the 2 chairs that we have. It's really good. $68. It's electric too, so you don't need uling. That's the one that you need uling for. $29.98.
I wonder how you clean it.
Oh, you take this out though. This part. And then this one we just brush.
Yeah.
$14. Okay, so we are done there. This is all that we bought. Because we don't need anything yet. I just wanted to check it out, but they do have a lot of things. They sell Gentle Monster here. We're just gonna get some food and then we're gonna leave here. Ang gusto mo? What do you want?
Ano tayo?
Alright, so I'm in the car now because I think the parking here is only until 3 and then we can't park here anymore. And I'm kind of just worried that we would get like fined or towed, but there are a lot of people parked still. But I'm just waiting for Kat. She just bought a Chinese crepe just to snack because we haven't eaten anything today. We've just dropped off Daisy at my aunt's house and now we're just waiting. I have a twitch on my eye. You guys see it? There, it's twitching. Anyway, yeah, I'm just waiting for Kat. See you in a bit. Actually, yeah, so I was explaining earlier that these were the only things that we bought today and these were like $3 each because this is so close to where we live and we don't really need anything right now in terms of like face masks and anything because we still have some at home. There's still people parked here.
No, because it says except Sunday, I think.
Except Sunday ba?
Just Saturday, Sunday.
This is what the crepe looks like. This is like the crepe that we get from TNT. Really good. Okay, so hard. Huh? Okay, so we just went to Richmond Center for Pop Mart.
Pero mabilis lang kami, guys. Hindi kami nagtagal doon. Yun lang talaga yung chinag namin ng Pop Mart and then yung QP and then Sephora, but that's it.
Because we had to buy this one. Earlier I said that we don't really need anything for our face stuff, but we do need like a serum. So we got a serum.
Yeah. And then...
And Kat's gonna open the Demu. Not that one. That's weekday. Okay, it's Kat's first unboxing. So this one is from the Animal Kingdom series of Demu. And these are what you can get. Me, I want Kat to get a lot of these actually. I like the Tai Chi Panda, the Bear Dad, the Foodie Giraffe, Crocodile Cleaner, and Penguin Tango. Which one do you want?
I actually like almost everything. Parang ang arte naman nun. Parang gusto ko lahat, halos. So, skip pala, may mga ganito siya. Pero like Hero, no?
I have a lot.
Meron siyang madaming ganito. So, she does a lot of, unboxing.
Yeah, I have like an Instagram page for it. It's called mks.phts. Something like that.
Yeah,
Because it was
but-
just like my junk stuff. And then it became like a Hirono page. And then now I have a bunch of followers. So,
Yeah, it's just
like,
your Rono stuff. Pero ako, hindi naman kasi madami. But this one, I find this one very cute and they have like stories, like stories. But, okay, let's get it. Are you excited? Yeah. Ta-da! And then, oh my god.
don't look, don't look.
Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Oh, your face. Why? Said it all. Did it?
It's the Tai Chi panda.
Ah!
Look, oh, look.
I love all of the ano.
I like it. Do you like it?
I love it. Alam nyo, gusto ko lahat. Gusto ko yung lahat talaga. Well, originally, I wanted the ano. Originally, I
Wow.
wanted the Penguin Tango. Kasi yung buong series ng Animal Kingdom talaga gusto ko.
Look at
Talaga.
this. It has some weight on it. Like, it's not like I have Hironas that are quite heavier, but this one is kind of really heavy. Look, it's so cute.
Oh, I love it.
Wait. Here. It's so cute.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my goodness. What if it like stands?
I'm gonna wanna.
It's really cute.
Sabi nila, i-discontinue na daw nila. I'm not sure, pero I like it. I hope we get to, I hope we get to get more of their series. Who knows? Sana pabalik
These
namin
are really cute.
kung may pera na naman kami. Sige pala bumili sa akin ito kasi medyo basta. But she said that, bilhan niya pa na.
I like this one.
I like it too. I like it too. It's not
Okay, we're gonna just drive home now because it is Sunday and there's work tomorrow. So
I think dadaan muna kami ng
Donald's for fries.
yeah, but after that,
Yeah. Anyways,
I love it.
let's go, guys. Let's go, girls. Okay, so it's already nighttime and we're about to go to sleep. But before we went to get ready for bed, we decided to post one of the balls on Facebook Marketplace and look at how many messages Kat got.
You can keep going. I'm sorry. It's never ending.
It is a lot, and it's because we posted it for $25 only because
A lot of people are selling it for yeah. A lot of people are selling it for 100 and 150 and even more.
yeah, but because we just had extra, we just sold it for that much. We were aware of the price that it was being listed on Facebook Marketplace before we posted, but we were like, that's too crazy of a price to have on Facebook Marketplace for something that you can buy for $6. And it's not fair for those people who actually want that and, want to use it. So right now we're just picking someone to give it to, and hopefully that person will just use it and not resell it because it's a fair price. So, and it's $25 because we did wait for like 4 hours to get these balls in the rain. So you just put, I don't know, $20 on top of what it is, $19. So it's pretty good because if you calculate how much time you actually should charge for, like per hour.
I mean, we could charge more, but that's just very, parang,
It defeats the purpose of the balls because this was supposed to be like, memorabilia for the FIFA World Cup, especially being held in Vancouver. And yeah, but we're gonna pick someone now and then go to sleep. I'm wearing one of those masks for our feet, and now I can't lay down properly because they're wet. So anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. If you're watching this vlog,
good
night, bye.